This right here will get you about 500, 450, 300 in a day. What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy be back with another video. If you guys are watching, man, make sure you are subscribing, okay? If we have not met yet, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Listen, guys, first and foremost, I want to let you know, I want to appreciate everybody that has tuned in and asked me questions about the price list, okay? The phone flipper, the buyer's price list, as people like to call it. Yes, it is available on IamHustlersMindset.com. It is a price list basically that you guys can actually use to guide you guys when you are purchasing phones, when you're trying to flip them. It also gives you the connect to me as well. So if you want to sell phones, you guys can now contact somebody. I'm giving you guys money via Cash App, wire transfer, whatever you guys want. You have a way to make money and a way to make income, okay? So I'm all about helping you boost your income streams. I'm all about helping you make money. I'm all about helping you make yourself 1% better every day. As you guys see, that is my motto, right? So make sure you guys are subscribing. And then we have a lot of different things coming up, okay? I have something I'm working on right now for you guys that is going to help you guys as well when it comes to another income stream. So I am crossing my T's and dotting my I's and trying to get you guys straight. All right, I'm trying to get you guys Gucci Boochie, you feel me? Now, speaking of that, I am sitting here and I am just browsing through YouTube, right? I'm browsing through things and of course, you know what I mean, I see me, yep, and then I see a whole bunch of different things where it's like a lot of like people talking about phone flipping, right? But when they're talking about phone flipping, it's things that I think are inaccurate and I think it's false promotion, if you will, but also I think they're just trying to get clicks, you know, and I salute to all of the content creators out here, and I understand that not everybody has ill intentions, and I'm sure most of these people are teaching valuable things. I've learned a lot on YouTube. I've learned a lot from other phone flippers. I've learned a lot of things, especially things that have impacted my life in a positive way. So I know that it's a lot of good on YouTube, but at the same time, like, we gotta stop. Like, prime example, make $600 an hour. Bro, if you was making $600 an hour, you wouldn't be making this video. You feel me? You just wouldn't be making this video. You wouldn't. You would literally be sitting there making $600 an hour. But it's like, or, oh, listen, I got scammed out of $1 million. Yo, I cannot make a video today, my God. I got scammed out of $1 million. Bro, if you got scammed out of $1 million, bro, it wouldn't look like you live in the bando. Or, oh, bro, if you got scammed out of $1 million, you wouldn't be worried about it, because you should have that. You should have your business in order and be able to claim that on your taxes and be able to get that back. I mean, you can't just lose $1 million or get scammed out of $1 million that easy, buddy. But it's like little things like that, to where I see a lot of individuals are they're more so trying to create content than create value. They're more so trying to provide content than provide value. And like, you guys see me upload infrequently, sometimes and sometimes not, because I'm not going to turn on the camera and I'm not going to present to you guys any phone flipping advice or anything if it's not of value. It's no point. It's only but so many times I can upload a video saying, hey, flip phones to make this amount. It's only a certain amount of times I can do that. Like, I can't literally sit there every day and say, hey, flip phones make $600 a day. Flip phones make $500 a day. Flip phones make $800 a day. Oh my God, the new iPhone 14 came out and this is why you should not sell it. Like, I did those videos already. I'm not about to duplicate what I already done. I'm not about to tell you guys information that you can literally look back and retain. I'm not gonna do that. A lot of things, I think, in this world, it's misconstrued, right? So, do I want money? Yes. Do I charge for things that I do? Yes. Am I at any means rich? No. Do I know everything? No. But one thing I do know, and one thing that I do see, is bullshit. I can peep bullshit just like you can. And when you guys click on these videos, I feel as though you guys can already see, but they are counting some people, not every phone flipper. These are some good phone flippers on YouTube, but most are dependent on for you to be gullible. You know what I mean? I've seen a phone flipping video of a guy in the back of I think it was a Verizon, acting like he's flipping all the damn phones. They got a fresh batch of inventory. This guy takes the batch of inventory and acts like he's flipping all of these damn phones. I done seen a guy act like he got a buyer and he's really taking it to GameStop. It's like, we have to stop, okay? Because I'm gonna always keep it 100, you feel me? You guys are my educated hustlers. You guys are educated hustlers. You guys are smart, you guys are intelligent, you guys are efficient, you guys are seeking information, and to be honest, you're not gonna always get accurate information on every video, you know what I mean? Sometimes you have to try things out and see what works for you, but I'm gonna tell you guys something that you're always gonna get with me, and it's transparency. You're always gonna get transparency. You're always gonna see that I am trying to show you guys the imperfections, just like I'm trying to show you guys the things that I have perfected. That's why I start vlogging. That's why I try to give you guys at least a couple vlogs a week now. One, to introduce you guys to my life, introduce you guys to my family, introduce you guys to a lot of different things that I got going on, because it's ups and downs in whatever you do. Like, making money is cool and all that, but it's cloudy. It can really mess up relationships that you have with people around you. It can really manipulate you. It can hurt you in so many different ways. So it's like, making money isn't everything, and also being broke is not fun. So it's like a medium thing we have to have, right? So when you guys are watching my videos, and when you guys are subscribing, I want you guys to know you're watching somebody genuinely invested in you guys. Now, I may not know you, I may not talk to you every day, but guess what? This stuff, me making these videos, yes, it's to make money. Yes, it is. But also it's because I enjoy it. Because I wasn't on YouTube for a while. I started on YouTube with my girlfriend. We stopped doing YouTube for a little bit. Then I got back on because I enjoyed it. I didn't get back on for nothing else. You know what I mean? The page got demonetized at first, and I got back on here because I enjoyed it, and I found a way to make money. I was like, wow, this is something that people are showing online. I can show it too, and I can show it in a different way. And that's really what I'm doing, y'all. And you guys are going to see a lot of real stuff with me. You guys are going to see a lot of things you may not know or may not like at first, and it takes growing pains, you know what I mean? And this is something I want to say. If you're somebody that is just flipping phones, and you guys just see my phone is just like, wow, going crazy. If you're somebody just starting to flip phones and you want to make around $200 to $500 a day, okay, not an hour, okay? I have no secret recipe for you to get $500 an hour. I have no, listen, if I was making $500 an hour, bro, my camera wouldn't be as blurry. My camera wouldn't keep fucking up in focus. My camera would not be pissing me off right now. But if I made $500 an hour, bro, I would be butt naked in Cancun jumping off of a 6-foot, no, that's too small, a 60-foot waterfall, belly flopping. That's what I would be. I wouldn't have no care in the world. No care in the world. But it's like, let's be realistic. You feel me? Let's be realistic, and let's be honest with each other. And if we want to obtain success, it's different versions. And I don't tell you what version you need to get. I don't tell you what version I have the secret recipe to. No, what I have is things that you can use to fuel your ship to wherever you're trying to go, whatever direction you're trying to go, whatever point you're trying to get to. So that is my spill on that, because I'm just like so sick of it, yo. I'm so sick of it. I make $500 an hour. Bro, get the hell out of here. And I probably may have done clickbait as well, right? So you may be like, oh, you did it. Yeah, but peep my videos. My videos have mad substance to it, because I feel as though if I'm gonna make that video, I'm speaking to somebody that was just like me, that was looking to try to do Photoshop and Final Cut Pro, and like, I really wanted to retain that information, so I needed some type of accuracy. I can't, like, it's so many liars, you feel me? But anyway, let's talk about how you can make some money now, right? So let's say you are somebody that wants to phone flip and you need to get some phones real quick, but you don't have a lot of capital, right? You don't have a lot of capital. Let me teach you how to make a good amount of money, okay? A good amount of money. We can even say 450. We can even say 450. We can say 300. I've done this several times, and you can do it, right? So it's all about knowing and having a desire to invest in yourself, but also having the desire to be financially responsible. So number one, you can get a phone like this, okay? This is not an iPhone. No, it's not. This is not an iPhone. This is a T-Mobile Revel 6 Pro 5G $256, okay? This right here, all right? This right here will get you about $450, $300 in a day. All right, now how can you do it? This is how you do it. You literally, whoa, don't follow me now. Don't do that. Don't embarrass me. Let me put this thing down. But listen, the way you do it, right? I got 3 right here. 3 right here is gonna get me $300 today. All right. And if you guys have the phone flipping price sheet, you guys will know. If you don't, go to I'mHustlersMindset.com and go get the phone flipping price sheet. Like, what are you doing? The phone flipping price sheet is literally a price sheet that tells you what a buyer pays. And guess what? It gives you the number so you can call, get the stuff shipped to the buyer, and then get the cash. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. What other phone flipper is giving you their buyer price list? I just really want to know. What other phone flipper has a website giving you the buyer price sheet? I'll wait. But look, so get the phones, right? This is how you get the phones. You go to a T-Mobile store. If you don't have T-Mobile, go to a T-Mobile store, create an account, right? You're like, damn, B, why would I create an account? They running my credit. Yes, they are. Invest in yourself, my guy. Calm down and invest in yourself. This is what you do. You go to T-Mobile. You create an account. You say, hey, I want to get the free phones. They're going to be like, what free phones? I'm going to get the Rebel 6 Pro 5G, whatever gigabyte you want, right? Boom. They're going to say, all right, that phone is free. All right, bet. Take the phone. Get the phone. Put the SIM card in the phone if they want. If they don't, then let it go. Let it rock. You don't need it to be open. You can keep it closed. You can open it. Either way, you're still making money, right? So boom. You get 3 phones, 4 phones, 5 phones, however many you want. Now you might be like, it's freebie, so I don't gotta pay nothing. No, that's what I'm saying, invest in yourself. You have to pay the taxes. The tax is like $18. So the tax is like $18, and guess what? How much we're buying them for? $100. So these retail in the store for about 200 and something. But what it is of course on the street you're gonna get it. You're gonna basically sell it for a lower price than what it is retail. And all you're going to do, go to a T-Mobile store. You can go to any store. You can go to Xfinity. You can go to Verizon. You can go to AT&T. Get one of their free phones. Just trust me. Get one of their free phones. And what you do is you can even, if you don't have the buyer's prices, let's say you don't got the buyer's prices, and let's say you like, yo, Brandon, all you want to do is plug yourself in, all you trying to do is make that shmoney. You're right. But let's say that you don't have enough to get the buyer's price list. All you got to do, go create an account, say I want the free phones, get as many free phones as you want. Once you get the free phones, pay the tax. Once you pay the tax, now you walk out the store with the phones. Once you walk out the store with the phones, you don't have no money to do the price list, and you don't want to invest in yourself to do that. All right, I don't know how you call yourself a business or a brand, but that's besides the point. Guess what you can do? Put these bad boys on OfferUp. You pay $18 for them. Put them up for $118. Put it up for $120. Put it up for whatever. Now you might be saying, well, B, why would somebody want to buy it? Somebody want to buy it because guess what? Some people don't know the promotion. Some people don't know these are free phones. Some people have Metro, not T-Mobile, and they don't have this free phone with Metro. So guess what? This phone works with Metro, so they can use it with Metro. You guys got to understand, yo. A lot of people, and this took me a while to realize, a lot of people don't know nothing that's going on. They don't know diddly squiddly squat. I can go ahead and sell this bottle of water, right? If Walmart has it for $1.50, I can sell this for $2 at Target. You wanna know why? Because the people at Target are not doing the research to see what of the best deals they can get. They're not trying to see, hey, what this coffee mug looks nice. Let me check to see what store has the best deal. A lot of people aren't doing that. A lot of people, they want to shop for convenience. So when you get phones like this, these are convenient phones. These are not iPhones, these aren't Androids, these are not, well, they're Androids, but you know, they're not Samsungs, they're not Notes. These are convenient phones, affordable phones. And guess what? That is how you guys can make money. If you guys sit there and sell it for $100, guess what? Get 4, make $400 a day. Now let's say you're like, oh, I can't create an account every day, B. Guess what? You can get somebody that you know, create an account. Now you be like, oh, I don't want to mess their credit up, right? Listen, if they don't have T-Mobile and this is a free phone, guess what? Guess what? I'm gonna tell y'all a trick. As a person that worked with T-Mobile before, I'm gonna tell y'all a trick. That's how it happens. You gotta make sure that you guys are being smart. You have to go to the store, get the free phones, and y'all wanna know the rest, y'all gotta DM me, because it's a way that you can cancel that account and not have to pay on that the bill and not have to pay for the phones. I can't disclose that right now. That's besides the point. We ain't gonna talk about it. Okay, do not tell nobody that I told you. Do not tell nobody that I told you that I know, because I don't want to get in trouble. But yes, there's a way. Okay, guys. So if you guys want to book a call with me, go to IamHustlersMindset.com, book that call. We can chat it up. I can give you guys a lot of different details on a lot of different tips and tricks. I can teach you guys how to make so much money, but it all starts with you investing in yourself. It all starts with you guys seeking the right information from the right people. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's a lot of people that know what they're talking about, but it's a lot of people that don't. So you gotta watch out and choose the right people that you are going to be listening to, all right? So thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. You already know how it goes. Your boy be back with another video, man. If you guys don't know, again, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Make sure you guys tune in. Make sure you guys continue to check me out. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell, do whatever you want, like, dislike, I don't give a heck. As long as you got something from the video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.